Continue our class. The first review test is a test for increasing or decreasing. No, sorry. Increasing, decreasing test is another previous one. Test for what? For local extreme value. Test for local extreme value. Obviously, if a function at some critical number continues there and to the left increasing, to the right decreasing, definitely this number is a local maximum. Similarly, if at some critical number and the whose value continues there to the left, the first derivative is negative. To the right, the first derivative is positive. Decreasing and increasing, definitely f of c is a local minimum. If the sign changes, increasing, or decreasing, f of c is neither a local maximum nor a local minimum. Okay. So the first derivative tells us about the increasing, decreasing. Now, just continue to study the second derivative or the second order derivative of a given function. So the first part we define increasing and then decreasing. Now I will define concave upward and concave downward. Means concavity, 凹性，凹向上或凹向下。Okay, definition here. Next, what does f double prime say about a graph or about the function f? Here is the definition. The definition is here. Suppose I is an open interval, then we say that the function f is concave upward on this open interval I. If and only if the graph of the function f lies above all of its tangents. So here tangent means tangent line, a noun. So we use an S here, means a pure form. Okay. Graphically, geometrically, I is an open interval. The graph of f lies above all of its tangents. Okay. Tangent, 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 a tangent, a tangent, a tangent. Oh. So the graph of the function f lies above all of its tangents, any one above. Okay? Then we say this function f is concave up on I. Of course, if we replace above with below, then we say this function is concave downward on the open interval line. Say below, 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 below. Very well. This is the definition. But you have to know graph, tangents, above, equation, above means order. Yes, higher means larger, lower means smaller. So we can, now we transform this sentence into more basic language. Use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and order, smaller or equal to. Okay? Okay, suppose f is differentiable on this open interval I. Then the statement f is above this tangent. Suppose this number is a. Then the tangent of the function f at this point is the line with this equation, f of a plus x minus a with the slope f prime of a. Okay, this is a tangent of to this curve at this point, a, f of a. Now, the graph of f lies above all of its tangents. Okay, above this tangent means above. We don't know whether strictly above or maybe can be. So by this definition, concave upward quite possible. This is also no tangent. So smooth. Maybe straight, curved, straight line. Also concave upward, because here, and here, the tangent are the same. Above. Same. Here, above this tangent. Same. Above, okay. So concave upward, maybe on some, the curve of this graph, maybe some portion is part of a straight line. Okay. This case is allowable according to this definition. Well, if the graph of the function f lies above all of its tangent, now consider any tangent at a f of a. This is the equation of this tangent line to this curve. The equation of this curve is y equals f of x. Above means for any x in this or of this interval line, the y coordinates, sorry, I mean y is this one, y coordinates. Their y coordinates is this one, another one is okay, lies above means this one is higher than this one, or loosely, at least the same height, but never below this position. Okay. So we can now we transfer that statement to f of x is at least or greater or equal to for all x in I and for all a in I. Okay, for all a in I means for any tangent line, maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. Once a is fixed, no matter x is who in this interval, this one is greater than or equal to this one. Maybe some textbook require that whenever x is not equal to a, but never mind. Later I will explain. Under some some condition, the curve of the function f will above, strictly above, except at this tangent point. Okay. So this is concave upward. Downward. Okay, if f is down, a concave, downward on I, then replace this one by less than or equal to. Because in this case, this number is less than this number, the y-coordinates of this point. This number is less than or equal, less than this number, because this number is the y-coordinates of this point. Okay. So this is described by intuitive geometry, graphically or geometrically. But anyway, finally goes to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Yes, and use some quantify for all or for some. 所以虽然定义是讲凹向上在某个开区间凹向上，是说这个函数图形必须在它所有的切线上方。凹向下是指函数图形在该区间